Top 40 lowest carb foods. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Avocado stands out as a nutrient-dense fruit, celebrated for its high healthy fat content and minimal carbohydrate presence. It's a versatile ingredient in various diets, particularly appealing for those seeking a heart-healthy option. Its creamy texture and rich flavor make it a favorite in salads, sandwiches, and even as a base for smoothies. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, is not only low in carbs, but also a powerhouse of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This green veggie is a staple for anyone looking to enrich their diet with nutrients without the added carbohydrates. Its versatility allows it to be enjoyed raw, steamed, or roasted, fitting seamlessly into numerous dishes. Spinach, with its minimal carbohydrate content, is a leafy green that offers a significant amount of iron and magnesium. This nutritional profile supports muscle and nerve function, making spinach an excellent choice for a healthy diet. It can be easily incorporated into meals, from smoothies to omelets, adding a nutrient boost without the carbs. Cauliflower has gained popularity as a low-carb alternative in many recipes, from pizza crusts to rice dishes. Its subtle flavor and versatile texture make it an excellent substitute for starchy ingredients, allowing for creativity in the kitchen without compromising dietary goals. This makes cauliflower a go-to for those following a low-carb lifestyle. Eggs are a staple in the protein-rich food category, offering virtually no carbohydrates. Their versatility in cooking methods, from boiled to scrambled, makes them an indispensable ingredient in daily diets. Eggs also serve as a great starting point for a fulfilling meal at any time of the day, providing energy without the carbs. Almonds stand out as a superfood, especially for those monitoring their carbohydrate intake. These nutrient-dense nuts are not only low in carbs, but are packed with healthy fats and fiber, making them an excellent snack for sustaining energy levels without spiking blood sugar. Their versatility allows them to be added to a variety of dishes or enjoyed on their own. Chicken breast is the go-to protein source for many, particularly for its zero-carb content. It's incredibly lean, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain muscle mass while cutting down on carbs. Its mild flavor and texture make it a versatile ingredient in numerous culinary creations, from salads to main dishes. Zucchini has become a favorite among low-carb enthusiasts, particularly for its use in creating zoodles, a healthier alternative to traditional pasta. This summer squash is not only low in carbs, but also contains valuable nutrients, making it a perfect addition to any meal for those looking to keep their carb intake minimal. Salmon is celebrated not only for its low carb content, but also for its richness in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health. This fatty fish is a flavorful option that offers a break from the monotony of lean proteins, bringing a luxurious texture and taste to the low-carb table. Beef steak is a robust source of protein that contains zero carbs, making it an excellent choice for those on a strict low-carb diet. It's rich in iron and B vitamins, essential nutrients for energy and overall well-being. A well-cooked steak is not just a meal but an experience, satisfying both the palate and nutritional needs. Asparagus emerges as a springtime favorite for those looking to maintain a low-carb diet while not skimping on nutrients. It's impressively low in carbohydrates, but a champion in delivering vitamins K, A, and C. This makes asparagus not just a side dish, but a healthful boost to any meal. Kale stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a minimal carbohydrate load that's ideal for those monitoring their intake. What makes kale remarkable is its ability to pack a hefty dose of nutrients into a low-carb profile, making it perfect for salads or as a crispy, healthy chip alternative. Olive oil is revered not only for its flavor, but also for its health benefits. It contains absolutely no carbs, making it a perfect fit for low-carb diets. Its status as a healthy fat source means it's not just for cooking. It's ideal for enriching salads with dressings too. Turkey is often overshadowed by chicken, yet it deserves recognition for its lean protein content with zero carbs. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining muscle mass without worrying about carbohydrate intake. Its versatility in recipes ensures it's not just for Thanksgiving. Celery is the go-to vegetable for anyone counting carbs, as it's almost entirely made of water and fiber. This crunchy snack is not just refreshing, but also perfect for dipping into hummus or peanut butter, allowing for a satisfying crunch without the carb guilt. Hard cheeses with their low carb content stand as an excellent choice for those on keto diets. Their rich fat and protein composition not only satisfy hunger, but also assist in muscle maintenance and growth. These cheeses add a deliciously creamy texture and depth of flavor to any dish, making them a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Coconut oil, celebrated for its medium-chain triglycerides, offers a zero-carb energy source that can boost metabolism. Its unique fat composition supports weight loss efforts and enhances physical performance, making it a favored ingredient in health-conscious kitchens. Its subtle, sweet flavor and high smoke point make it ideal for cooking and baking. Cucumbers, with their high water content and very low carb count, are perfect for adding a refreshing crunch to salads. This hydrating vegetable is not only a staple in weight loss diets, but also provides essential minerals that support overall health. Its versatility allows it to be enjoyed raw or pickled, adding a fresh dimension to meals. Bell peppers, low in carbs yet high in antioxidants, are a colorful addition to any dish. They're rich in vitamins C and A, supporting immune function and eye health. Their sweet, slightly tangy flavor enhances the taste of dishes, whether they're raw in salads or roasted as a side. Mushrooms, with their low carb and calorie content, are a nutritious addition to any diet. Rich in B vitamins and essential minerals, they support healthy metabolism and immune system function. Their umami-rich flavor deepens the taste profile of dishes, making them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Radishes, with their crisp texture and peppery flavor, are more than just a salad garnish. These root vegetables are surprisingly low in carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Moreover, they are packed with vitamins, providing a nutritional boost with every crunchy bite. Strawberries stand out in the fruit world, not only for their sweet, tangy flavor, but also for their low carbohydrate content. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, they offer a guilt-free way to satisfy a sweet tooth. Their nutritional profile supports heart health and provides a burst of energy. Tomatoes, often mistaken as high-carb due to their sweetness, are indeed low in net carbs. They are a vibrant source of vitamin C and K and potassium, essentials for maintaining good health. Their versatility in cooking makes them a staple in kitchens around the world. Garlic, although used sparingly due to its potent flavor, packs a punch in terms of health benefits with minimal carbohydrates. Known for its medicinal properties, garlic can enhance immune function and provide cardiovascular support. It's a small but mighty addition to any dish. Green beans are a standout vegetable, offering more than just a low-carb profile. They are rich in fiber, aiding in digestion, and make the perfect side dish for a plethora of meals. Their versatility and nutritional benefits make them a favorite among health-conscious individuals. Chia seeds are a superfood, renowned for their high fiber content and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health. Despite their small size, these seeds pack a low-carb punch, making them an excellent addition to smoothies, yogurts, and salads for a nutritional boost without the heavy carb load. Macadamia nuts are a luxurious treat that not only satisfy your snack cravings, but also support your health goals. They're low in carbs and loaded with healthy fats, contributing to a sense of fullness and aiding in weight management. Perfect for a keto diet, they're a guilt-free way to indulge. Pork loin offers a lean protein choice for those mindful of their carbohydrate intake. It's rich in B vitamins, essential for energy production and cognitive health. With minimal carbs, it's an ideal component of a balanced diet, ensuring you get the necessary nutrients without the carb overload. Cod stands out in the seafood category for its low-carb profile, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain a lean diet. It's not just about the protein. Cod is also a valuable source of vitamins B6 and B12, supporting nerve function and contributing to overall well-being. Lettuce is the unsung hero of the low-carb world, almost entirely carb-free and high in fiber. It's the perfect base for a variety of dishes, from wraps to salads, allowing for creativity without the carb count. Its high water content also promotes hydration, making it a staple for a healthy diet. Walnuts are a nutritional treasure, offering a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids while keeping net carbs impressively low. Their crunchy texture and nutty flavor make them a perfect snack for those monitoring their carbohydrate intake. Additionally, walnuts support heart health and brain function, making them an ideal choice for a wholesome diet. Flax seeds stand out for their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, all while being low in digestible carbs. These tiny seeds can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from smoothies to salads, enhancing nutritional content without adding unwanted carbs. Their ability to support digestive health and lower cholesterol levels further elevates their dietary value. Tuna, a versatile and low-carb fish, is excellent for maintaining a balanced diet. It's not only a lean protein source, but also packed with essential nutrients, making it perfect for salads, sandwiches, and more. Its convenience and nutritional profile make tuna an excellent choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy, low-carb lifestyle. Butter, often celebrated in keto cooking, contains zero carbs and is high in fat, making it a staple for those following a low-carb diet. Its rich, creamy texture enhances the flavor of various dishes, from sautéed vegetables to steak, proving that maintaining a low-carb diet doesn't mean compromising on taste or quality. Raspberries offer a sweet, yet low-net carb option for those craving fruit without the carb load. High in dietary fiber and vitamins, these berries are perfect for adding a refreshing twist to any meal or snack. Their antioxidant properties also provide added health benefits, making raspberries a guilt-free treat in a low-carb diet. Brussels sprouts are more than just a side dish at your holiday dinner. These tiny cabbages are low in carbohydrates, making them ideal for those watching their carb intake. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they support overall health and digestion. Roasting them can bring out a delicious nutty flavor. Shrimp is an excellent choice for anyone looking to increase their protein intake without adding carbs. This versatile seafood is not only carb-free, but also packed with antioxidants. Whether grilled, sautéed, or tossed in a salad, shrimp adds a luxurious touch to any meal, making it both nutritious and delightful. Pumpkin seeds, often overlooked, are a nutritional powerhouse in a tiny package. They're low in carbs while being a great source of magnesium, iron, and zinc. These seeds can be roasted for a crunchy snack or sprinkled over salads for added texture and a nutrient boost. Arugula, with its peppery flavor, elevates salads from mundane to extraordinary. It's more than just a leafy green. It's virtually carb-free, making it perfect for those on a low-carb diet. Its unique taste can also add a fresh zing to pizzas and pastas, making it a versatile kitchen staple. Greek yogurt, especially the plain variety, is a fantastic addition to a low-carb diet. It's not only low in carbs, but also high in protein and probiotics, which can aid in gut health. Its creamy texture and tangy flavor make it ideal as a base for smoothies or as a substitute for sour cream. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.